Hello everyone, welcome back to LEXI'S world. So as you see, I have some peppers. Today I'm doing some stuffed peppers, alright? So I'm going to use 2 red peppers. I'm going to use 2 orange. Actually, I'm going to use 3 orange, alright? These peppers are already washed. Okay. So I'm going to use that's 5. I'm gonna use 2 yellow peppers, brown peppers, and then I have my 1 green, but it's turning. That's still okay. I'm gonna make my stuffed peppers. So that's the peppers I'm using to make the stuffed peppers. In here, I have my spinach. I use about 4 to 5 ounces of spinach. I'm gonna use that for the base, alright? I'm going to use 1 onion. I'm going to use 2 tomatoes. I have my green onion. And I have a scotch bonnet pepper. Alright. The most important thing is my salmon. So I bought this salmon. It's called stew salmon because it has no bones, no skin, anything like that. Alright. Alright. So it's all washed up and everything. I put a little bit of vinegar and cleaned it up. So I'm going to season up the salmon nectar. In this container, I have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt. I have a teaspoon of black pepper, and I just put a bit of sea salt. Alright, so that's all in here. I have 1 pack of sazon. I finished that. I'm going to put it aside. I'm going to use 1 onion. I'm going to cut it very small, okay? I have 2 tomatoes. Here's my 2 tomatoes. I cut them up small. So I have my scotch bonnet pepper. I'm only going to use a little cut of it. So I used half of this scotch bonnet. So I have my onions, my tomatoes, and my scotch bonnet. Okay, to the next step, I'll leave my green onions for now, okay? I have my peppers. So this is one of them. I'll cut off the seed. So I have my red, I have my green. I'll start with the yellow now. I have orange. Okay. So I have my 8 peppers already. I'm gonna set that in the dish. I use some virgin olive oil. So here's my peppers. Okay, so I have a little, like, some of the red peppers instead. I'm just gonna cut them up. What I did, I just cut a bit leftovers of the sweet peppers, alright? Okay, I have my oven preheating at 350, alright? But I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna just saute the salmon for a bit with the spinach and everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use some olive oil to spray my pan. So I put my spinach in it first. So my spinach come down. And then I have my salmon that's already seasoned. I'm gonna throw it in there. So what I'm doing, I'm basically gonna break the salmon down a little bit more, okay? So once the heat touches salmon, it starts to flake a bit, alright? So as the salmon cooks, it's easy to flake it out. Instead of spending the time cutting it small, I just smash it out on the stove. I have my tomatoes and I have my sweet peppers here. So, as you could see, I flake out the salmon. I'm going to use some sea salt. I'm going to add half of the corn first. I'm going to add half of a teaspoon more of black pepper and half of a teaspoon of seasoning salt. I'm going to add more of the Scotch bonnet pepper, okay? Put a half of a teaspoon of salt. Have some feta here. I'm going to add a little bit of feta cheese in here. I will use a tablespoon of the hot sauce that I have with garlic, just to give it a nicer flavor. 2 eggs. I'm gonna bring over now. So what I did, my oven is preheating. So I have my peppers. I'm just gonna oil the outside of them a bit, so it will stay good. So I'll put a little bit of. First, I'll add some of the feta at the bottom. What I did, I just put some of the brick feta at the bottom, alright? I will just stuff it down. And then I have mozzarella, alright? So this pepper wouldn't stay, so I cut the bottom just a bit. So I have mozzarella cheese here. So my peppers are there, and I'm just gonna put some mozzarella. So that's just topping it off, okay? Alright, so here's my peppers, alright? So I'm just gonna put it in the oven and let it bake for like 45 minutes to an hour. So I have it on timer. I'm gonna bake it for like about 45 minutes to an hour, alright? Here's my stuffed peppers that I stuffed with salmon, spinach, and stuff like that, alright? So I'm gonna put it into the container. So basically, I bake it for the full hour, and there is this. My feta cheese is in the bottom, and then the mozzarella is on top. So there it is. This is, of course, a full meal. Anything with it, right? Thank you for watching my videos. Please do not forget to please like, share, and subscribe on my channel. And